2 points. Probably the simplest thing to do is use that slope point form, point slope form. You should probably, I would say it's a good idea, even though it's on your formula sheet, learn it so that you can write it out without referring to it. But remember that that's what it is. It just comes from the slope formula. You have the y and the x that you have in any of the equations, right? There's an x and a y. That's any point on the line, that y and x. Okay, that's anywhere on the line. This x1, y1 refers to a specific point on the line. Okay, so you need one of those 2 points to be x1, y1. And then the x and y can be anything here. When you're coming up with this equation here, the easiest way to do it is to find what the slope is first. I'm going to do that over here. Okay, slope is, if you want to use the formula, you can subtract. If you want, on the top you can say negative 21 minus 39. Negative 21 minus 39. That's the rise. And on the bottom you can do 10 minus negative 25. 10 minus negative 25. If you work that out, you get negative, what do you get there? Negative 60 over 35. Or in other words, negative 60 over 35, 12 over 7 negative. Okay, so that's the slope if you're doing that. Negative 12/7 is the slope. The other way you can do that is just to look and say, when this goes up 35, right? This thing goes up 35. If you don't like this slope formula, up 35, this goes down 60, right? This goes down 60. And then just sub those numbers in, right? There's the slope, so put that number in. And then just put one of the points in, right? Y minus y1. We want to sub in one of these 2 points for y1. Let's get rid of too much highlighting here. If we're going to put those two values in, so if I put in for x1 negative 25, I've got negative 25 here. And I've got the other one, the pink one, for y1, 39. And then you have the slope, negative 12/7. Negative 12/7. X minus that. If you're going to write it out in simplest form, y minus 39 equals negative 12/7 x plus 25, right? If the thing is negative, it's going to be plus in that point slope formula. You could use that one, or if you use the other point, if this was the point you use, because you can use either point, that's going to be y plus 21 equals negative 12/7 x minus 10. That's another right answer. Both of those are right answers. If you were to take those and change them to slope-intercept form, you'd get the same thing. Okay, either one of those is fine. All right. Hopefully we're okay with that. If you haven't finished that section, make sure you do at some point and get it so you're okay with that. All right.